Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to share with you some of the beautiful hairstyles that you can perform at your own places without visiting any expensive hair salons. All these hairstyles are quite simple, quite easy, and these are inspired from the classical braids that we usually create. Moreover, these are hairstyles, some of this inspired from the bunny type of the hair looks. You can just definitely perform all these hairstyles at your own places. You can save a lot of money and a lot of time by just giving them a try one after the another. These hairstyles are best suited for the long, medium as well as for the short length hair. Also, you may require some of the hair accessories for these type of the hairstyles like the casual buns, like the casual bunny pins, like the rubber bands, the comb, and you are done. Moreover, you can convert your casual hair looks into the fancy type of the hairdos, as we are going to share some of the tricks and the twists with you in this video session so that you can just make these beautiful hairstyles. All these hairstyles are a little bit time consuming. Some will be done in just few seconds, like the twisty type of the bunny messy looks. All these hairstyles, if we talk about the difficulty level, are some quite easy, some might be quite complex. So it's a mixture of the both, and I'm sure that you're going to fall in love by making such type of the hairstyles. One thing is to be noted down here that you may require some fancy hairpins. Thank you.